Hi everybody, how are you? My name is Steve Filipos. I am here at Chevrolet of Homewood in beautiful Homewood, Illinois. We're going to do something really simple today. What that is we're going to remote start a 2019 Chevrolet Blazer with this beautiful key. Remote start is probably the simplest and the nicest option that Chevrolet has. In the winter, it starts, it heats up your car, and it shuts off when the car is ready. But in the summer, nobody likes to get into a hot, sticky car, so it works. So here we are, it's spring, it's not hot, it's not cold, but we're gonna do it anyway. Very, very simple. You notice you heard the little bell there. Then what you do is you hold the remote start button down. Isn't that amazing? The car locks up. Now you know the car is running because the lights are on. It's gonna run for approximately 5 minutes and then it's gonna shut off. Here, this is probably the simplest and the nicest option out there. Everybody loves it. 2019 Blazer, nice remote key, lots of fun. Have a great day.